Hi, I'm Neil from Netherton Foundry and I'm here to tell you about our most versatile pan, the Prospector Pan. It's a two-handled pan that you can fry on the hob, brown under the grill or put into the oven. The Prospector Pan is exceptionally versatile and it's also very compact. It fits great into cupboards because there's no handle sticking out. It does hang up, and also when it's on your hob there are no handles hanging over the side, so if you've got several pans on the hob at the same time, it's a great solution. The Prospector Pan can be used on gas, electric, including induction, halogen and ceramic, and it can also be taken outside and used on real live flames, burning wood, charcoal or onto a barbecue. It's perfect for frying at very high temperatures. The pan is seasoned with organic flax oil for a naturally non-stick finish. It's easy to look after. In most cases, a nylon brush under a hot tap is all you're going to need to clean it. The Prospector Pan comes in a wide variety of sizes. Here's our smallest. This is the 8-inch, great for one-person servings. 10-inch, our most popular, ideal for 2 people. We make a 10 1/4. This is shallow, great for crepes, cooking fish. Now the family sizes: 12-inch, 3 to 4 people, and finally our largest, which is a 14-inch. Always we measure the sizes across the rim. The Prospector Pan is also available with a lid. It's now a Prospector casserole. Ripley, we often recommend the Prospector Pan for people who want to season their pan in an oven. That's a great way of doing it. It's convenient and it gives a great finish. So that's it. The very versatile Prospector Pan, great for frying, grilling, putting in the oven, and of course serving to table, either as a pan or as a casserole. Finally, why is it called the Prospector Pan? Well, when I designed it, one of our friends said to us, it looks just like a gold prospecting pan, and the name stuck. Thanks now, bye.